crores was disbursed to 9,76,119 SHGs in 4 installments. YSR Cheyuta is yet another important scheme specifically targeted towards the welfare of the women in the state. It is a unique welfare program to extend financial assistance of rupees 75,000 in 4 years continuously at the rate of rupees 18,750 per annum to the same poor women belonging to SC, ST, BC and minorities in the age group of 45 to 60 years towards livelihood purposes. Through this scheme, nearly 26 lakh families will be engaged in the vibrant livelihoods by utilizing the direct assistance of rupees 18,750 every year and by raising additional finance through linkage and Stri Nidhi. So far, an amount of rupees 14,129 crores has been disbursed to 26.39 lakh beneficiaries. Fourth installment for rupees 5,064 crores will be disbursed in this month itself. The state government is extending financial assistance of rupees 75,000 under YSR Kaapu Nestam in 5 years at the rate of rupees 15,000 per year to the same women in the age group of 45 to 60 years belonging to Kaapu, Balija, Telaga and Ontari communities towards livelihood purposes. So far, an amount of rupees 2,029 crores has been disbursed directly into the bank accounts of 3,57,844 eligible beneficiaries under the scheme. Aiming towards financial empowerment of women belonging to economically backward classes, the state government has launched YSR EBC Nestam and providing financial assistance of rupees 15,000 per year to the same women in the age group of 45 to 60 years. So far, the government has disbursed an amount of 1,257.04 crores directly into the bank accounts of 4,39,068 eligible women beneficiaries. My government accords top priority for safety and security of women. As part of the safety of women, 1.46 crore citizens have been downloaded the Disha App and 3,040 cases based on the complaints received through this app have been registered. Now about social security, transition from susceptibility to sustainability. The government is committed to providing permanent houses to all the eligible households in the state, duly providing house sites and housing under the scheme Pedala Andiriki Illu. Total of rupees 31.19 lakh house sites in 17,005 layouts have been distributed across the state in the name of women head of family. The cost of each site varies from 2.5 lakh to 15 lakh depending upon the location. Among these house sites, 22 lakh houses are being constructed. Nearly 9 lakh houses have already been completed and handed over to the beneficiaries. Remaining houses are under active progress. The cost of each housing sanction, including additional benefits providing, is 2.7 lakhs. Over and above this, nearly 32,909 crores is planned to be spent to provide infrastructure like water, electricity, drainage, roads in the layouts. As part of Navaratnalu, my government has enhanced pension amount to ameliorate the hardships of the poor and vulnerable sections under YSR Penshuka Kanuka. All types of pensions like old age persons and widows, artists, single women, transgenders, AIDS patients, disabled persons, fishermen and tappers who together account for 63.34 lakhs are being provided pension every month, helping them to lead a dignified life. My government has recently enhanced the pension amount from rupees 2,750 to rupees 3,000 from 1st January 2024. With this